Forces of magnitude 7 Newton, 10 Newton and 15 Newton acts on a particle in a direction shown in the diagram. Find the component of the resultant of the three forces, A in X direction, B in Y direction, and once you got that, find the direction of the resultant. They are not asking for the resultant, they are just asking for the direction of the resultant. Okay, for the first part, okay, I'm going to split it into X and Y and then complete them. What do we have for X? Okay, along the x-axis we have 7 Newton and then you have 10 Newton that's acting at a certain angle, so we have to resolve that, and then you have 15 Newton on the left hand side which is acting at 18 Newton, so we have to resolve this. So let's sort this out. So first of all, 7 plus 10 times by cos 50. Okay, so if I take this way positive, so I'm going to take this way negative, so I'm going to minus 15 cos 80, and that would be the net force along the x-axis, okay, or the x direction. So 7 plus 10 cos 50 is 13.428 minus 2.604 or 605 10.8823 and write it as 10.82 Newton. Okay, so that's for x direction. Now let's look at what's for y direction. Okay, for y direction I have a force that's acting upward, which we have to resolve for 10 Newton, and then you have another, okay, resolving forces, and those two add up to the force acting in the y direction. Okay, summation of force acting on y direction. So for the first one, 15 sine 80 plus 10 sine 50 is the total for force acting along the y direction. So 15 sine, so the answer is 22.433. Okay, 433 Newton. Okay, or yeah, just leave it there. Okay, so that's for A, this is for part A, and this is for part B. Okay, next, what do I do? Hence, find the direction of the resultant. Okay, direction of the resultant. So if I draw this, okay, simplify this, I have y direction force which is 22.43 Newton, and then we have on x direction 10.82 Newton. So therefore the resultant is at a certain angle. Okay, and we know this is right angle. Okay, so let's find out what is this angle here. Let's say theta. Okay, so to find theta, I'm going to use tangent theta equals to 10.82 over 22.43. So theta equals to the answer is 25.8 degrees. Okay, so this is 25.8 degrees. Now when we write direction, we normally write where is based on, I mean, the resultant will be based on along the x-axis. Okay, so along the x-axis, so what is the direction we are looking at? What is the direction? So if I want to write, I would write the resultant is at a certain angle above the x-axis. Okay, so what is that angle? So let's find the alpha. So alpha would be 90 degrees minus 25.8, and the angle is, which is 64.2 degrees above x-axis. And if you look at it, this is anti-clockwise. Okay, so you will have to mention that as well. So anti-clockwise. Okay, so the direction is 64.2 degrees above x-axis, anti-clockwise. Okay, yeah.